friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Trading with 101. In this video, I will be analyzing and predicting the XAUUSD for the week ahead. Let's begin. We can see an hidden divergence, which is a hidden bullish divergence, as the market is making higher low from here till here, and simultaneously the indicator should also make an higher low, whereas indicator is making lower low, which tells us that the market is now experiencing an hidden bullish divergence. Thus, a break of this trend line, which is in dark blue color, proves that the market trend is now changed from a downwards to an upwards, and on the other hand, we are experiencing the support of a channel which has been respected by the market various times. For example, over here the support became a resistance. At this level, the market supported taken support from the take a support and bounce back towards upwards, testing to test the resistance. Thus, I am also expecting a bounce back towards level 1780 to 1800. The move can be something like this. Some correction, and then testing it back. This move can also take up to 2 weeks or up to 3 weeks depending on the volatility of the market. However, if the volatility continues high and is constantly high, thus we can expect a move towards 1780 in less than 4 to 5 days. As now talking about the fundamentals, as Trump has threatened the China for implementing the tariff, the same incident happened in November when he imposed the tariffs on China, due to which the market breaks the resistance level of 1360 and made an breakout towards the 1580. Thus, I am expecting a bullish move towards upwards from 1698 towards the 1800 zone. Now the TP and SL, I will show you the TP and SL. Okay, and just place the SL below the support line. If the support line is broken, then the market is making an M pattern, as I will show you. From here till here, then here, here and here. Currently it's near its neck. However, the break of the neck will lead to the market to change its direction from bullish to bearish, and then the TP would be around some within short position after the break of support. Then the TP would be around some 1582, as the M pattern would be completed around 1580 as, and however, I am expecting an upwards move rather than a downwards move, as Trump has decided to impose tariffs on Chinese goods, due to which I am expecting an upwards movement. Thank you for viewing my video. Please do like, subscribe and share, and do tell me in comments box whether you agree or disagree, or what do you think of my analysis. Thank you.